Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another interesting data analytics problem which had been asked in Meta. So make sure you watch the video till end to learn the important concept which had been used as part of the solution of this problem. And please subscribe to my channel if not already done yet, as I will be coming up with a lot more useful content. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So over here, basically the problem which I will be going to solve today, that will be in Python. I have already solved the same problem using SQL as well. And link of that particular video had been attached to the description of this video. You guys can take a look at that as well. And those who have already watched the same video in SQL, I would recommend you can skip the introductory part of this and you can basically jump to the solution of this particular problem. So over here, as we can see, like as part of the problem, we had been given the three data sets, right? Let me just quickly explain you each one of these and then probably how we can basically approach the solution of this problem. So over here, like we had been given like sales from of various products from Facebook. So in the very first table, we are having sales level data set. As we can see, we are having product ID, promotion ID, and number of units sold. Similarly, in the second table, we are having product level details, which contain product ID and product information. And in third table, we are having like promotional level details, right? So let's say if we made some sales using some promotion or something. So basically that particular information is getting captured in the very third table, right? Now, as part of the problem statement, what we have to find, right? So at a product family level, basically, so over here, as we can see in the second table, we are having a product family column, right? So at a product family level, we have to find total number of units we have sold, right? Which means like we have to basically merge these two tables because product family level information is available in this and like sales level information is available in the first table, right? So we have to basically merge these two tables together, right? And apart from that, we have to basically figure out number of units we have sold or percentage of units sold using promotion, right? So can I say this thing like promotion level data is available in the third table, right? So basically, first of all, we have to merge these two tables, and then with the master data set, we have to merge the promotion level table, right? So for that, what I will be going to do is I will create a data frame over here using basically which will have a merge table, right? So for that, I will use pd.merge, right? And what I will do, I will basically use sales data frame over here, which would be sales underscore df, right? And along with that, what I will do, I will basically merge product data frame as well. So I will use product data frame on basically product ID. So it should be on product ID, right? And basically our sales level data set is available in this table, which will be my left most table, right? So we have to do how is equal to left, right? And this I will assign it to merged df. Okay. Now let me just run this and we'll show you how our output will look like. So as we can see, basically, we got sales along with the sales data set, we got product level information attached, right? Now, can I say this thing again with this particular data set, I have to merge promotion level details as well, right? So I will use the same merge condition over here, right? And I will change the products data frame name, right? So again, like with df underscore merge data set, I have to basically merge promotion level data frame, right? That to on what? That to on promotion ID. So as we can see, basically in the merge data frame table, we have like promotion ID as a common key. And in promotion data set as well, we are having a promotion ID, right? And basically over here also, we have to do this merge on df underscore merge table, right? So basically it will be a left join, right? So over here, as we can see now, in df underscore merge table, like we got like promotion ID again merged with df underscore merge, which is the master data set, right? Now, can I say this thing like the data set which I got over here, this is my master data set, which contains like first of all, it contains like sales level information. Then over here we are having product level information, and then over here we are having basically promotion level information, which is like promotion start date, end date, media type, and cost, right? Now what we have to do over here, we have to basically at a product family level, right? At a product family level, we have to calculate total number of units we have sold, right? And like at a product family level itself, we have to calculate the total number of units we have sold using promotion, right? So over here, let me just explain you one thing. So over here, as we can see, these two columns are coming from promotion table, right? So start date, end date, media type, cost, right? As we can see, we are having all these columns available in the promotion data frame, right? So over here, we are having start date for all the records, right? Apart from this one, where we are getting null, right? So wherever we are getting null as a start date and end date, can I say this thing like those products did not got sold using promotion, because that information is not available in the promotion table, right? So for that, can I say this thing? If I will create a flag over here, which will distinguish basically like which all products got sold using promotion and which all products did not got sold using promotion. Likewise, basically these kind of cases, right? So can I say this thing like if we are getting a flag over here which can distinguish the sales which we made using promotion and uh, not using promotion, then probably we will be able to solve our problem, right? So for that, what I will do on df underscore merge, I will do group by, right? And group by on what? Group by on product family column, right? So over here, we are having product family, right? And for that, I will basically do summation of units sold. So over here, we are having units sold as well, right? So I will use like units sold, right? And dot sum, right? Now, basically, let me just run this and we'll show you. So over here, as you can see, basically at a like product family level, we got like total number of units which got sold. Now, let me just make this in a tabular format. So I will use reset underscore index, right? And let me just assign this to total units sold data frame. Units sold. Okay. Now, basically, total number of units which got sold, we have basically available in this particular data frame, right? So these are my total number of units which got sold, right? Now, what we have to do basically, we have to calculate total number of units which got sold using promotion, right? So over here, what I will do basically, I will create a flag, right? So for that, what I will do, I will use df underscore merge, and I will filter all those cases whose start date is available, right? Because this particular content we are getting from promotion table, right? So wherever start date is available, which means like we have promoted that particular product, right? So over here, I will filter out df underscore merge, and I will filter out these cases where start date is not null, right? So where, let me just, I think like this did not got copied. Okay. So where start date is not null. So dot na dot not na basically, right? So basically where start date is not na, we have to filter out those cases, right? Let me just show you like what will be the output as part of this. So over here, as you can see, we are getting all the records which have start date. Okay. Now, on top of this, can I say this thing? I can implement the same logic which I have used over here, right? So basically all these cases where we are having start date, that means like these products got promoted, right? So on top of this, what I'm doing is I will use the same logic which I have used over here, right? So let me just copy it. Yeah. So over here, what I will do basically at a product family level itself, I will basically do summation of units sold, right? Let me just run this and we'll show you how our output will look like, right? So we got like for all of these product families, we got like total number of units which got sold, right? Now let me just assign it to other variable. So total number of units sold over here, total not units sold uh, using promotion. Okay, now so basically we have units sold in this, units sold in this as well, and we are having product family, right? Now over here, basically the column name of both the data frame is same, right? So let me just rename this first. So I will use same data frame dot rename columns is equal to, let's take units sold from this, and over here, and over here basically what I will do, I will take in place is equal to true, just to reflect this in the original data frame, right? So I will use units sold using promotion, right? Now let's run this. We got these, right? Now can I say this thing at a product family level? If I will merge these two data frames and then do a division, I will be able to basically get the percentage of sales using promotion, right? So for that, again, I will do or I will use like pd.merge, right? And over here, I will basically merge it with total number of units got sold and total number of units got sold using promotion. And that too, we have to do merge at a product family level, right? I will basically give this tf merge tf1, right? Now let me just show you. So over here, as we can see, we got these two like data sets merged, right? Now I mean like this particular problem statement got easier. So over here we have to create another column which will be the division of these two columns, right? So basically, can I say this thing like that will be percentage units sold using promotion, right? And that will be the division of units sold using promotion with total number of units sold, right? So let me just copy this, paste it over here, and yeah. So when I will run this, so over here, as we can see, basically we got, and since this is a percentage number, so we have to multiply this with 100. So over here, 100.0, and we have to multiply. Yeah, so as you can see, basically we got like for consumable products, we got like 100% products got sold using promotion, and for gadgets we got like 76% got products got sold using promotion, right? And this is what we have to basically provide as part of the output of this particular problem, right? So yeah, guys, that's it as part of the solution of this particular problem. Let me know in the comment section like if you will be able to solve like this particular problem using any other method. Thank you one and all. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.